Hi, my name is Andrew McLaren, and I want to help you with understanding both this problem and also how ChatGPT was struggling with solving this, though it was very close. So this video will be helping you understand a bit about why ChatGPT was struggling with problems like this and why you can't just trust answers that it gives you. So this problem is somewhat a common type of problem in physics where you have a car that's sloped and you can just derive like formulas talking about the radius, constant of gravity, the velocity, and the tangent of this angle relative to the horizontal surface. So that's pretty important to recognize that this angle here has already been given to us as 40 degrees. And ChatGPT really struggled with just reading this visual information correctly. So it did an okay job with going through the problem, um, but it was doing so in a way that it got an incorrect answer for this distance. So I was like, what's going on with that? Why are you getting that? And it was able to give me a radius, but then when I checked what I did, I was like, I'm getting a different result. Why am I getting such a different result here? And so I had my work that I had done with a student, and we'd gotten very close, but there was a small error in my work, but it didn't catch my actual error. It thought I'd done something wrong where I'd actually done something correct, and then it didn't catch the other error as well. So just so that you're aware at this point, the student had told me like, well, if this angle is 40 degrees, this other angle is 60. And that was just a small little calculation like mistake with the mental math. And it should have been, if this is 40, that's 50 degrees. So if we'd used 50 degrees, we would have gotten the correct distance. But ChatGPT thought I was referring to the wrong angle or using this angle incorrectly in the diagram. So when we went through this question, um, it gave me the correct relationship. Like it's describing this relationship, but then it's saying that we have not been given theta. We've been given something else called what it's calling alpha. Um, which would be the slanted surface and the vertical. So for some reason, it misunderstood the problem and thought that the 40 degrees was relative to the vertical, which it does not look like that at all if you look at the question. So I'm not sure why it's thinking the 40 degrees is relative to that vertical and not the horizontal. So it's kind of a weird mistake, but it was insisting that that was the mistake that had been made, why we were getting some different results. And then I gave it my mistake on here, and it again incorrectly insisted that the 40-degree angle is not what we should be plugging in. Instead, we should be using 50 degrees, which I would agree with it if the 40 degrees was relative to the vertical, but it wasn't. It was relative to the horizontal. So ChatGPT is still really struggling with visually processing information out of diagrams and then using that with formulas. That was one of the biggest mistakes that it was having with this type of problem. Then it wasn't really correctly catching the other mistake, and it was giving these diagrams and a detailed explanation to something, but that was incorrect. And so that was kind of interesting. Like if the mistake was that I was doing that angle incorrectly, these explanation would have been correct. But even as a tutor who works quite a bit on problems like this, it took me a while to realize that it was actually just incorrect. And I had to refer to some of these other diagrams that you might see online where we're talking about this banked formula, um, talking about this tangent and how the angle is relative to this thing, which is what we had used. And that was 40 degrees in the problem. So it took me a while to really be confident that my answer there was correct and that it was doing that part wrong. But then what ended up happening incorrect, where I made a mistake, it did actually kind of help out eventually, but it didn't quite catch it completely. So after I insisted, no, I really have got the correct angle, it actually was like, actually, no, I think you are right. Um, and so it was just kind of a weird thing, but it did end up ultimately recognizing what I did was incorrect, and it did give me the correct answer. And I was like, wait, hold on, I'm getting, I think it was 160 as my final answer for the distance, and that was because I was using the wrong angle in terms of, instead of this being 60 right here, this should have been 50. And if I'd done that correctly, then I would have gotten the same 180 as opposed to the 100 and I think it was 162. So this was just done slightly incorrectly in terms of that supposed to be like sine 50 degrees. And that was just a small trig error. And it didn't catch that small trig error when I'd shown it my work earlier, and just thought that was a little bit off with other parts. So then I was like, hold on, I've got an answer of 160 degrees. What happened there? And it wasn't really sure how to explain that. But then it just started giving like values that would explain it. And so this was not that useful because it's not catching the that it should have been the 50 degrees here as opposed to the 60 degrees that I used for that trig function piece. And so that was just something that was not quite completely clear. So it wasn't great at explaining that mistake. So it was really good at explaining the mistake that I didn't make, but not that great at explaining the mistake that I actually did make. So be very, very careful. This is why humans at this point are really like, it's complementary to using ChatGPT to get some help, but you really should have a human checking it who's more knowledgeable, because sometimes it says things like this that are just incorrect. Um, and it will insist that you have something wrong even when it's drawing out information incorrectly from the diagram. So it's not understanding what it's doing, and so it's kind of hard to catch those mistakes. But with some prompting, it did catch it ultimately. So just beware.